Artificial intelligence. It's no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's the reality shaping our world today. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and connect. You interact with AI every day. It powers your smartphone, personalizes your shopping experience, and helps doctors detect diseases with incredible precision. Businesses use AI to streamline operations, predict trends, and deliver smarter solutions. But what is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. Using algorithms and massive amounts of data, AI systems can learn, reason, and even make decisions, sometimes faster and more accurately than humans. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, but we must also address the challenges, ethical concerns, privacy risks, and the importance of ensuring fairness in decision-making. So, what's next? AI is paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in healthcare, education, climate solutions, and beyond. It's not just about machines, it's about empowering people to achieve the extraordinary. AI is the future, and it's happening now. Let's embrace it, shape it, and ensure it works for everyone. The possibilities are endless. Together, we can create a smarter, more connected world.